In this review, I will dive deep into the Bitrix24's features, the pricing, and the potential drawback to help you decide if it is the right fit for you. And here's get started. So, what is Bitrix24? Bitrix image is a digital office where everything is organized and everyone knows what they need to do. And that's why basically what Bitrix24 is, it's like a swift terminal for businesses. This single platform combines a bunch of different tools to help you manage your work. Think of it as a central hub for your company. You get a Bitrix24 CRM to keep your track of all your customers. There are tools to help you with sales management like tracking deals and goal sales funnel. You can automate what the workflow automations. This means the system can do things automatically like send emails and sign tasks, saving you times and effort. And here are the key features about this platform, which is the CRM tools. The Bitrix24 CRM tool is a powerful tools for managing your customer relationship. It helps you keep your track of all your interaction with leads and customers from initial contact to closing deal and provide support. They also offer a task and project management, which makes their work more effective with a site and store. With the Bitrix24, you can create a professional website and an online store without any coding knowledge. This is great features for business looking to establish an online presence. Also offer an HR automation. HR and automation. Bitrix include the tools to help you manage your human resources such as employees, onboarding, time tracking, and absence. And here's the pros and cons about this platform. Every tool has its strength and the weakness. So to give you a balanced view, I'm gonna explore the pros and cons of this website to you. So one of the pro, which is the advantages part of this website, is the features. The features rich platform. It is a feature rich platform, an excellent free plan, and a great for collaboration, improves productivity at affordable pricing. So talking about the downside, which is can be complex, complex, limited third-party integration with a mobile app limitation and a steep learning curve. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this website.